Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out the new L'Oreal True something. We're going to be testing out the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. That's what this is, a tinted serum. And I know, I watched Allie Glines try it, and it's a pretty thin foundation. You're not going to get a lot of coverage with it, but you got some coverage with it. And since my skin does not really do well with serums, I am going to do the TikTok method so that I get a layer underneath it. So let's get started. We're going to start off with my CeraVe moisturizer. Wow, my skin really feels like it needed this. Now I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. I am going to get, darn it, I went to Ulta today and I forgot to even look. But I'm going to do an online order, and I'm going to get the illuminating Bye Bye Pores powder. I just found out about that. I didn't even know they had one, but it sounds good. Then I'm going to spray it with my Rainforest of the Sea, if there's any in here. I looked for this today and I didn't see it at Ulta. So I'm going to see if they have it online. I'm going to turn on my handy dandy little fan until it is completely dry. Okay, it's dry. We're going to go in with my Tarte Base Tape Primer. I got a new primer. It's that Wet n Wild one that Tati's been talking about. But I don't want to try it with this because I'm trying not to change things to give everything a fair chance. So this is the same thing I used with all the rest of them. So, all right, here we go. We're going to go straight in with this, and I'm just going to take it right off the dropper and put it all right, and then I'm going to use my fingers to spread it out, and then I'm going to go in with a sponge. It's a little dark, but I know it shears out pretty good, so I wasn't too worried about it being a little bit dark. It's pouring outside right now. It wasn't raining a minute ago, but now it's pouring. All right. I'm gonna look at it. It's kind of pretty. Not a lot of coverage, but I expected that. I'm really going today for a no makeup look, if you know what I mean. So it still looks like skin, but it's got a little something on it. No, it definitely still looks like skin. I think I'm going to go in and try and build it up a little just to see if it will. It's definitely kind of glowy. That's okay, I'm going to powder it, and I haven't powdered, you know. So I'm just going to put a little bit more on my cheeks. Ooh, that was a lot. I guess I'll just go like that. Put that over there. I don't know, do you guys think it built up? It got a little darker, huh? I don't know if it got any more coverage. But I like it so far. I wish I had a little more coverage. But for a no makeup look, it may be okay. And I was also going to go in, and instead of putting powder all over it to start with, I'm going to contour a little with this Contour and Bronze. That, oh, I couldn't tell you, that is the, I don't know what it is. Mega Glow from Wet n Wild Contour. And this is the color Oaks on You, as in like an oak tree oak. Only like Jokes on You, but it's Oaks on You. Yeah, it's not new. And we're going to use this Milani blush. It is Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush, and the color is Berry Smooch. Anyways, I'm just going to put a little on the back of my hand and then use my sponge to, I'm just going to rub it out like this. This is the color. And then I'm just going to grab a little bit on my sponge and put it on here. Because we're trying to go for natural. I don't mind if it's a little dark because I'm still going to powder. I think I'm going to use a little bit of this. You know what I forgot to do is concealer. Hello. We're going to do that real quick. Out of order, but that's okay. There's no rule that says you have to do concealer last. It's just the way I normally do it. Oh, I was going to put some on my eyelid. Or my eyelash, whatever happens first, right? All right, now we're going to take this and we're going to try not to use the pink side yet. Blend this out. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of this blush and I'm just going to put this up here just for a little bit of color. So now we're going to powder it. So I'm going to grab some 5 Pores. I wish I had the illuminating one, but I don't, so we're just going to go with what we got and save that for another day. A little bit of powder there to keep it from creasing. All right, now we're going to go and spread this around. Looks pretty good. I know the glow is gone, but it will come back through. I think it looks pretty good. I think I kind of got rid of my contour. Maybe I'll just take a little that's on this brush and redo that since I kind of messed up and did my highlight second. All right, let's do our brows. And actually, I'm going to do a liner line. I'm going to do my gel liner real quick first. And then we'll just lift a little right there to darken that outer corner. And now we're going to do our brows. So I'm going to use my NTASHA DENONA palette because it's got my favorite powder for doing this with. It's the color Crease. Right here. The second one right there. Just do a quick brow. All we have left is lips, and I think we're going to use the blush. I'm just going to put just a little tiny bit on my hand, and then basically do the same thing I did. Just rub it around a little bit, and then go. It's a little dark, but I like it. And it matches, right? So this is our no makeup look. What do you think? I will go ahead and do a wear test for this because right now it looks great. It's light coverage. It feels like skin. It feels like you're not wearing anything. I'm not loving the eyes. I like makeup, so I would definitely do more to the eyes. But for like going to the pool or whatever, this might be good. So anyways, I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how it stood up. Right now is not sinking into lines. It feels marvelous. It feels so soft and so smooth. It definitely seems like it's hiding some of these wrinkles too. But I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did. So I'll be back. Hey guys, I am back. It is the end of the day. It's kind of late because I got a late start, so I wanted to stay up kind of late and let you get a good idea of what it looks like. Lipstick's gone. But that liquid blush that I was using from Milani, I used it for my eyeshadow, I used it for my blush, and I used it for my lips. So that is a good versatile thing. And actually, you can still kind of see it. I mean, it didn't last like liquid lip because I ate and it was gone. But I can still see it a little bit. Not much though. Anyway, we're not reviewing that right now. We're reviewing this serum makeup, and it looks amazing still. It's not sinking in at all to anything. It hasn't moved. It looks really good. Really good. That's what I tried to say. Really good. It looks really nice. It's not super coverage, but it's not bad. It looks really, really nice. I would definitely wear this when I was not doing glam, you know, when I was not total mask makeup. Especially if I was going somewhere where I didn't want to look like I was wearing makeup. that's what I'd do. I'd wear this because it's got some coverage. It definitely evens you out and gives you some color and helps everything else that you add that you're not supposed to add when you're not wearing makeup stay in place. It's really nice. I really like it. I'm giving it a thumbs up for sure, especially since I really believe that my wrinkles are not as prominent. It's definitely not sinking into them. It has not moved. I love it with the TikTok underneath it. I'm not sure how it would work without it for me, just because I really need that to keep it in place. Although it's not glowy or greasy or anything, you know, it's not, I can't feel any kind of anything. I feel like if I go like this, it's not going to move. It's sunk into the skin that much. So anyways, I'm giving it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate all your comments, all your thumbs up, all your thumbs down. No matter what, I appreciate that you guys are here. So that's the end of this video. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!